Hello everyone, welcome to my August favorites video. I have to admit it's pretty late. Normally people get this live on the first week of the new month or the first day, but anyways, here we are. Let's start with the beauty bits. First we've got the Clarence Double Serum. I started using this about 2 months ago and I'm absolutely hooked. I've noticed a boost in radiant and my overall complexion is smooth, so there's less reactions or like little breakouts whatsoever. It really keeps everything at bay. The next one is this Dawn facial oil from Duet. It's a Taiwanese brand and I was sent this one to try. So what I do is that I use this one at night before my night cream, about a full drop, and massage it on my face. And because it's in a really light texture, it sinks in pretty fast. It's just not messy and it's a fuss-free process, which is not always the case for facial oils. I think there's like 5 different oils in it and the ones I can remember are olive oil, oat oil, and jojoba oil. Now moving on to hair. So about 3 years ago I started changing my hair care routine to mostly silicone, sulfate, and paraben free. And the brand I find it closest to a sulfate shampoo that still offers a good smoothing and cleaning process is Rahua. This is the volumizing shampoo which I have been really enjoying because I do styling almost every day. And it really gives me a nice volume and bounce to work on without making my hair dry. If you're like me who does hot styling on a regular basis, you need a bit of treatment. I'd say 1 or 2 times a week. But this Kevin Murphy leave-in treatment is my go-to at the moment. It has a really watery texture and maybe because of that it soaks in pretty well so your hair won't feel sticky or anything oily afterwards. I can really feel my hair feeling stronger and healthier than before ever since I started this. As for fashion and styling bits, this white shirt from Acne Studios is not just an August favorite. It's been my favorite since I'd said April. It's a semi-oversized fit, but I went up a size to make it a little more, baggier. Obviously, it's a bit on the pricier side for a white shirt, but to be honest, the quality is really up there. I mean, most Acne Studios pieces are. I've bought a few new jewelry pieces. So this first ring is from Crystal Haze. It's a Norway brand, but I've bought it from a Taiwanese online select shop called Okro. It is a chain design, so it's kind of forgiving for sizing. I don't remember the sizing right back from my head, but I'll write it below at the description box, and I normally have it either on my index or my middle finger. I also want to do a quick shout out to this flash jewelry necklace from their leisure collection. It's a jewelry brand from Australia and I love wearing it with my shirts. So even though it's a statement piece, it's not too out there for every day. It's made sustainably and it's in amazing quality. This is my second piece from them actually and I'm looking to collect more. Okay, so now there's something that you guys love on Instagram. Every time I post a photo of this watch, the engagement goes crazy. I got this 2 years ago in a vintage store in Tokyo, but I don't think it is actually a vintage watch. I love how elegant it looks. One thing to note that the strap is actually dark brown. I know sometimes on the photo it looks like it's black. Anyways, this is the Sir Monsieur Alca's watch. I'll see if I can find it online or else I'll link the shop Instagram below for you guys. Now we've got one bag. I wasn't sure if I should include this because I haven't been wearing bags out much, but if I was to go anywhere that's not the grocery store, I'm wearing this. So it's kind of a, honorable mention. This Louis Vuitton bag is just really beautiful. I'd imagine it would be a great city break bag. Personally, I like it as a shoulder bag. So I adjusted the strap to its shoulders. I'm really happy with this one. And yeah, that's it for the month. If you like this kind of video, let me know in the comments below so I'll make it as a regular series. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! I don't know